It's Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find and delete viruses on your Android phone. So the best way to do this is to go on over to the Google Play Store. And then what we want to do is just download a software or an app called Malware Bytes. So we can just type this in, Malware Bytes, and we can see it pop up right here. And if we have any kind of issue, we can just download this and it'll pretty much quarantine the app and then delete it. So you can see it right here, mobile security. Just install this on your phone. Now another good one right here is AVG, antivirus and security. So if the first one doesn't work, try this other one, AVG antivirus. So if you do have some sort of virus on your phone that's causing issues, a bunch of pop-up ads or whatever, inappropriate content or something like that, you can just download one of these, do a quick scan, it'll quarantine the app and then it'll delete it and remove it from your phone for you. So just go through this install right here. This should be free to scan. So we can go to don't allow. So let's go to enable right here. Okay. And then it's loading, and there are some paid options if we want to go and do that. It's not really necessary. So we can just X out of those and go to start scan. Then just continue with ads. Okay. Now you need permission, so a lot of different permissions. Now it's scanning your device finally. So if there is an ad or some sort of pop-up, some weird virus thing going on your phone, just run one of these scans. Or you might have to launch your phone into the safe mode. So we can go to power and just hold down on power right here, and you can go into safe mode. This is going to block access to a lot of different apps. So if something is causing that issue, you can go into your Google Play Store, download this application without that interfering with it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.